guys. Today you're gonna be drinking with Gina. Yes. So, I'm gonna make this delicious drink for you. Y'all been to Disneyland, love it. I know you've had that famous Dole Whip. Who has not been to Disneyland and doesn't stop and get a Dole Whip? I mean, hello, it's so good. But we're not just gonna make a Dole Whip. I'm gonna make this Dole Whip, this delicious cocktail. So we call this one Dole Whip That Ass. That's right, we're gonna whip that ass, Dole Whip it. It's so good, I'm so excited, had dinner, and now I want my dessert. So let's get to making this cocktail. Okay, so grab a blender and we're gonna add in 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Okay, and now I'll be adding in a 1/2 ounce of Malibu coconut rum. Okay, next up, 1/2 ounce of your favorite white rum. 1 ounce of Zaya Rum. So next, I'll be adding 1 ounce of this homemade falernum syrup. I will drop a link below in the description to show you how to make this. Okay, so grab some ice. We'll be adding in a 1/2 cup to our blender. Then we'll be adding 1 cup of frozen pineapples. Now scoop in a 1/2 cup of your favorite vanilla ice cream. All right, now blend together well. Right, now grab your favorite glass and we're gonna fill it up halfway with your Dole Whip. Next up, grab your favorite pineapple soda and we'll be adding 4 ounces to your Dole Whip. Now add in the rest of your Dole Whip. All right guys, so to whoop that ass, we're gonna float that delicious Myers dark rum on top. Okay, so, yay, look at that Dole Whip. It's gonna whoop that ass. I'm so excited. This is gonna be the best Dole Whip you ever have. Stir it up. I've got my little dark rum floating on top. So good. I'm gonna taste time now. Hello, yes, okay, this is so good. I mean, is there any alcohol in there? It's so good, but there is. It's just so good. I love it. Yeah, Disneyland should have these because these would make parents very happy walking around with their kids. All right, so you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Also, head over to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Check out the Jen and Gina show. Don't forget to check out my next video. See you guys soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number 1, why not? But number 2, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.